Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to install and configure Yoast SEO to your WordPress website in 2025. So if this is something you'd like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so we'll be installing Yoast SEO on this website that I worked on in another project. So first what you want to do is install Yoast. So go up here in your dashboard and into plugins. Okay, and then add new. And then just search Yoast SEO. And then install now. Okay, so they have a configuration guide, so we'll just use that. Okay, so over here, they recommend doing an SEO data optimization. So they'll just scan all your pages and posts. So they have recommendations. So they'll start to fill in some of the data for you. So we'll do that. Okay, and then continue. And then over here, just fill in your necessary information. So organization. So if we check our website here, okay, so just the same as the title. So flair, hair, and beauty. Okay, so just copy and paste here. Okay, save. So if you have the logo, you can set that up here. So I'll just see what's in our media library. Okay, so just add the logo in here, save and continue. Okay, and then your social profiles. So you can add this here so that you're able to do social sharing. So when you make posts on your website, you can make it share to your accounts as well. So I'll just save and continue. And then personal preferences. So if you want to subscribe to anything here, so just by default, save and continue. Finish the configuration. So we'll go to the dashboard. Okay, great. So now you can see the dashboard here. Okay, so next what we'll do is go into the settings and see if there's any additional configurations we can make. Okay, so we have these features here. So I want to make sure our sitemap is enabled. So again, this is just a free version of Yoast SEO. So some features are limited, but for getting started, it should be okay. Okay, so we have a lot of features here. So again, they have social sharing. So that's why you want to include your social media accounts and site structures. So we're looking for our XML sitemap. So it's over here. So if you click into this is what you'll submit to Google. So it just shows all your pages and posts. So it makes it easy for them to index. So you can submit this through Google Search Console. Just make sure that's enabled. So it's available on the free version as well. Okay, and then go here to site basics. So again, this is for the way that the query would appear on search engines. So you just want to make sure this is filled in. So it'll be like your website name and then the separator and then the meta title. Okay, so we did some of this already through the first time configuration step. So the site representation. Okay, and then connection. So if you want to connect to Google Search Console, you can do that through here and then the other search engines as well. So content type. Okay, so it says you can edit this directly on the homepage. So we'll do that after. So we'll just run through the settings here. So again, this is for the post. So right now it's the title, the page, the separator, and the site title. So you can edit this here, as well as your social media appearance image. But this here is a premium feature. Okay, so next we'll go to pages. So again, it's the same as posts. It's just the structuring for your page query. Okay, and then next we can go here into categories and tags. So again, you can just leave it by default here. And let's just peek into advanced over here. So we have our crawl optimizations. Okay, so looking here at our breadcrumbs. So this is just the way that it would be appeared. So again, by default, I think it's just fine. Again, you can enable or disable this here. So it's just a trail for your pages. So say if you go through a post and then it'll also connect your categories. Okay, so I'll just skip through the rest here. And then next, let's just go into doing on-page optimization. So what you want to do is go into one of your pages here. Okay, say our home page here and then edit. Then over here, you have access to the Yoast SEO plugin. Okay, so you can set it in like a focus key phrase. If we check over here, it's a interior design company. So we can say Flair interior design. Okay, and then just looking down here, this is just the way it would appear on search engines. So you can edit this here. So by default, this is the structuring that they have, but you can change this directly. So say if you only want your site title and the title of the actual page. So we can do like this. Just copy this and paste it here. So it'll just be a lot cleaner. Okay, and the slug. So this is the ending of the URL. So right now it's homepage, but since the homepage is the root domain, you can just leave this blank for home pages. Okay, and then over here, you need to provide a meta description. So again, Google will set this up for you manually if you don't have one, but again, you can make the most of search engine optimization by filling this in yourself with the proper keywords. Again, just looking here, we can just take this text here and paste it in there, and then we can see that this updates live directly. So this is how it looked like on desktop, and then this is how it looked like on mobile search. Okay, then over here is just a SEO analysis. So they'll give you some tips on how to improve your ranking. So again, there's no outbound links. So that means just links pointing to other pages. Okay, and just more about keyword density. So you can just run through these here and try to fix these problems, and then it'll be green once they're good. So it'll be like the ones down here. So you can see images, meta description link, the title. Okay, and these are just some premium features. And then over here, cornerstone content. So this is for posts, so like main posts on your pages. So this is just a homepage, so it's not really a cornerstone. Okay, and then over here for advanced, if you have a page that you don't want to be indexed by Google or any other search engines, then you can do that here. You'll set it to no. And then if you want it to follow links, so again, you can keep it by default. And then over here, if you have any meta tags that you want to add here, you can do that here. And then the breadcrumb title and any canonical URL. So this is any pages that might be similar to one page. It'll just show that this page should rank higher than that page. Okay, and then insights over here, that's a premium feature. And then it'll just give you a score down here. Okay, and then just make sure to save once you're done with the optimizations. And then over here, it says improve your post with Yoast SEO. So we'll click that. Okay, and then it's just the same thing here as well. So you can access the plugin on the right bar here as well, but we'll just exit that. Okay, so next let's do the same thing for posts. So over here in all posts. Okay, so we just have the hello world post. So we'll just edit that. And it's just the same thing down here. You can just edit the meta description and the slug in the title. So again, a slug is needed because this is for a post. So if you can check the actual URL here. Okay, and then something we didn't go over in the pages is the other tabs here. So readability. So this is just the way that the content is written. So you can get feedback from Yoast SEO here to the schema. You can just keep this by default, and then social. So if you want to share this on social, you can edit the content here. So if you share it on Facebook or LinkedIn or X, then it'll show up like this. So over here, X appearance. So it is available on the free version here as well. So you can just edit the content down here. And again, once you're done, just don't forget to save. So this concludes the end of the tutorial. I hope you're able to follow along and set up Yoast SEO on your WordPress website. If you need help with any website development projects, then you can reach me at mapletmedia.ca. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on future videos, and thanks for watching.